smooth and delicious. Peanut butter is a favorite worldwide. But how is it made? Today we're going inside the peanut butter factory to uncover the process behind this beloved spread. It all starts with the peanut itself. Peanuts are grown in warm climates and harvested when the plants have dried out and the nuts are mature. After harvesting, peanuts are transported to processing facilities where the journey from raw nut to creamy butter begins. At the peanuts undergo a thorough cleaning to remove dirt, debris, and stones. Afterward, they're sorted to ensure only the best peanuts make the cut. Next, the peanuts are shelled. Powerful machines crack open the shells, separating the nuts from their outer layer. To remove the skins, the peanuts are blanched in hot water. This step softens the skins, making them easier to remove. After blanching, the peanuts pass through air blowers, which strip away the skins, leaving behind smooth, skinless peanuts. The peanuts are then roasted to bring out their rich, nutty flavor. Roasting is a crucial step that gives peanut butter its distinctive taste. Once roasted to perfection, the peanuts are quickly cooled to stop the cooking process and lock in their flavor. Now, the peanuts are ready to be transformed into butter. They're ground into a thick paste in powerful grinding machines. In the first stage, the peanuts are ground into a coarse paste which still contains small peanut pieces. To enhance the flavor, salt, sugar, and sometimes oils are added to the mix. These ingredients create the creamy texture and sweet, salty balance we love. The mixture is then ground again, this time to achieve the signature smoothness that peanut butter is known for. In huge vats, the peanut butter is stirred and homogenized to ensure even distribution of oils and ingredients, creating a uniform texture. Before it moves to packaging, the peanut butter is rigorously tested for quality, checking for flavor, consistency, and texture. For crunchy peanut butter, additional roasted peanut pieces are mixed into the creamy base. Next, the peanut butter is pumped into jars on an assembly line where each jar is carefully filled to the exact amount. Once filled, the jars are tightly sealed to keep the peanut butter fresh and protected from air and contamination. The jars then pass through labeling machines where the brand's label is applied, providing product information and an appealing design. Each jar is stamped with a production date and an expiration date to ensure that it stays fresh for consumers. Before heading to stores, the jars go through one final quality check. Any jars that don't meet the factory's high standards are pulled from the line. The completed jars are stored in a temperature-controlled warehouse, ready to be shipped to stores around the world. From the warehouse, the peanut butter is loaded onto trucks and distributed to retailers, where it's ready for customers to purchase. To your local grocery store, the journey of peanut butter is fast, efficient, and carefully monitored to ensure top quality. Peanut butter isn't just delicious, it's packed with protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins, making it a great snack for both kids and adults. Peanut butter's versatility in the kitchen is unmatched. It's the perfect addition to sandwiches, smoothies, baked goods, and even savory dishes. While butter is a staple in many households across the globe, each region has its own twist on how to enjoy this creamy delight. In recent years, new flavors and variations of peanut butter have emerged, including options like chocolate peanut butter and natural, no sugar added varieties. Peanut butter manufacturers are working towards sustainability, ensuring that peanut farming has a minimal impact on the environment through eco-friendly practices. From humble peanuts to a jar of creamy goodness, the process of making peanut butter is a fascinating blend of tradition, technology, and quality control. Next time you spread it on your toast, you'll know the journey behind it.